Hello and welcome back everybody. So how you can turn on developer mode in your Windows 11 system. Okay, it's a very nice feature in Windows 11. So click on start bar and click on settings and you can search settings also. Okay, and click on systems. Here slide down a little bit and you can see here there is an option here. Okay, so click on for developer. This is the option. Okay, so when you click on for developer, okay, you can see the developer mode. Okay, install apps from any source including the those files. Okay, when you turn on it, it will turn, you can see. Okay, turning on developer mode including installing running apps from outside the Microsoft Store could expose your device purpose personal data security and harm your device. Okay, so if you want to turn on, just say yes. Okay, just like yes. Okay, so that's it for today and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for being here, and there are lots of options here. You can explore one by one if you want to, just like device patrol, discovery and task. Okay, so there are lots of options. So that's it for today and I'll see you in the next video. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel. Bye.